It's Joe Andrews for Joe's Moses Kitchen. I come up with a smiley made with potato for our kids. So don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joe's Moses Kitchen.
Let's smile and make this beautiful kids smileys. We can make 18 pieces like this. First, we have to boil 1 kg of potato. Drain it when it's hot, mash it. Make sure there is no lumps. The potatoes are ready. Add 1 cup of panko crumbs, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, salt to taste, half teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, and combine well. Make sure the spices are well infused with the potato. Make a dough like this and rest for 10 minutes. Split the dough into 2. Now we need a spoon and a straw like this. Press the dough gently. It should be not very thin, not very thick. Using a mold, cut it into round shapes. Using the straw, make the eyes like this, and with a spoon, let it smile. Make a mouth. The smileys are ready to fry now. Remove all the edges. You can make the edges back into smileys. Carefully remove it and fry it on a very hot oil. Flip it and fry it until it is golden in color. And remove it and set it aside and fry everything. If it is falling apart like this, make sure you check the oil temperature. The oil should be very hot, or add more breadcrumbs and make a dough and make the smileys and fry it. All the smileys are smiling now. Now let's enjoy this beautiful smileys with ketchup. How to make ketchup and how to preserve ketchup, the recipe is there in my channel. Smileys have a mustache too.
The smiley we made, it's ready. Dip it in ketchup. How to make ketchup? The recipe is there in my channel. Crispy outside, soft inside. Beautiful tea time snack. Enjoy and eat. Don't miss out to try this recipe and let me know how it is. See you with a new video. Bye. this video have you ever tried? What about this one? Oh, what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.